Hello, traders. Today is Thursday, June 26th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So yesterday I was saying that this potentially would turn down, and it definitely did turn down. I think there's a good chance this right here is an A, this is a B, and we could be in a wave C, which if you go to like the 4 hour time frame, to me it's much clearer that this is like an impulsive uptrend right here, and this potentially is like a wave ABC2 or an ABC correction to this last impulsive move up. So if we do get three waves down to one of these fib levels, which I think the 61 and the 50% would be the most likely areas, then we get an aggressive turn to the upside. I definitely would go long. And potentially, if the daily time frame is telling the correct story, this could even end up stretching out into like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave A, which would possibly take out the high of wave four. So maybe we could get a pretty nice long opportunity. Going back down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I'm watching the 50%, I'm watching the 61%. I don't know exactly which level it's going to turn at, but if it does make that double bottom at either one of these levels with a break of structure to the upside, that is the picture I am looking for an entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of this higher time frame wave A. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked over here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.